Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are unboxing Boxycharm for October 2019. So YouTube kind of threw me for a loop because I was actually going to do this as a live video tonight. I just filmed another video doing the look that I'm wearing today, and I was going to go live right after filming that video. However, I found out that I actually do not have enough subscribers to go live on mobile. So I'm going to film this video tonight and hopefully I can get it out sometime tomorrow or at the very latest on Saturday. I'm filming this on a Thursday evening. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all what I got in the box, and I'm not going to be able to do a try on because my makeup is already done. But I'm going to show y'all what I got in the box, and unfortunately, just looking at what I got in the box, I don't think that I'm going to be too thrilled about this month's box, but Boxycharm does have some hits or misses. They just been on a roll lately, and this one I'm just not really feeling it so far, but I just opened it, so let's see. But anyway, I believe I got version 17. So can someone let me know in the comments, this right here, does this mean that I got version 17? I believe that's what that is, because there are some products in here that are going to be variations. So let's jump right into it and I'll show y'all what I got this month. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription service where you're going to pay $25 a month. Right now, as of October, Boxycharm costs $21 a month, but it is going up to $25 in November. So for $25 a month, you get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. They're usually high-end or indie brands, and you can upgrade your service. You can do something called Boxy Luxe, where every 3 months you're going to be paying $49.99, and on those months you're going to get 8 to 10 full-size products in your box. But those boxes, they're usually a mix of makeup, skincare, and lifestyle products, whereas the regular monthly boxes, those are usually just makeup and skincare. They're also starting a new service called Boxy Luxe 2.0. That's going to cost $35 a month. I don't have too many details on 2.0, and I'm reading the information on the box, on the card rather. To me, it's kind of confusing. So instead of giving you that information, if someone knows all of the details about Boxy Luxe 2.0, let me know in the comments, but I will also put a link in my description so that you can go directly to Boxy's website to get the information. But for $35 a month, I believe you can just get a couple extra products in your box. So you can either do the $25 box for four to 5 products, the $35 box for I think it's 6 to 7 products, and then every 3 months you can do Boxy Luxe 8 to 10 products, and that's $49.99. All right, that was a whole lot of information, but I hope that helps. So let's jump right into the box and I'll show y'all what I got. So they do theme every month's box, and this one is called After Dark. And they usually put like a little design on the card, but they didn't do that this month. So they just have the name of it as After Dark, and then they just give you some information about the products that came in the box. So first is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Misting Spray, I believe this is. I don't think this is like a finishing spray or anything, but this is what it looks like. I will actually try this out because I do like the color of it. It looks like it's like a champagne-y color. So I will try this out, but I'm not really into like these glowy sprays like this. But let me read to you what it says on here. This retails for $29. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. The stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, or set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. So it has things like cucumber and chamomile and antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, vitamin E, and it's 100% vegan. So I feel like I will try this out just to see if I like it, but I have a feeling I'm going to be giving this away to someone that I think would just enjoy it better than I would. But this is product number 1. Next up, we have the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This retails for $7, and it looks like it's just a standard eyeliner. I'm not going to bother swatching this because I feel like I want to include this in a giveaway. I usually don't use liners like this. I'll use it like as a lip liner, but not an eyeliner. So I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. This is in the shade 101 Black, and it looks like it's just a standard eyeliner. I usually don't ever like the eyeliners that we get in Boxycharm. We did get a really nice one last month though. This is from Hank and Henry, and this one is a liquid eyeliner. This thing, I really love this, but whenever they give us eyeliner pencils, I'm just not too crazy about it. But I'm gonna save this for a giveaway just in case someone would prefer to use it. Someone who prefers pencil eyeliners, because I don't really like them. Okay, next up we have the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, and that's the packaging there. Achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator that allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. It's perfect to use over powder or pencil. I feel like this is something that I may actually use. So let me swatch this. Actually, no. I wouldn't use this because of the color. What is the color called? It's called dark brown. So this is what it looks like. I have to think about this. I'm not going to swatch it just in case I like give it away, but it looks like it's going to be too brown for me, even though I always feel like my eyebrows are too dark and they could stand to be a little lighter. I feel like this one would be too light. I may still try it. I don't know, because I'm thinking maybe if I fill in my brows with my powder and go over it with this, maybe it'll lighten it up just a little bit. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about this one yet, but it retails for $16. I do think it's a pretty small package. Like it looks like a sample size, or maybe like a deluxe sample size, but it doesn't say that on here. But brow gels, I mean, sometimes they can be kind of small because it's not a whole lot of product in there. But anyway, it retails for $16. Next up, we have the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Now, I actually thought that this was a matte lipstick when I looked at it, but since it's a gloss, I may actually use this. It is a lip plumping gloss, which I usually don't use, but the color of it might be okay. So the Iconic Plumping Glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping powder. The high shine formula is infused with biometric peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips, and this retails for $26. This isn't really the color gloss that I would typically go for, but I do think it's a nice color. I'm gonna open this because I feel like I would try this. Oh yeah, this is a pretty color. I'm gonna swatch this. It looks more like of a berry shade. Oh yeah, I would definitely wear this. I'm just not sure about like the plumping effect. Probably has like a little bit of a tingle on the lips. That's a really pretty color. In the container, to me it looks a bit more like a reddish pink tone, but I feel like here it looks a bit more berry-ish, or maybe a bit more mauve-y. Like this is a shade that I would wear, especially this time of year. So I'm happy that this is a gloss, because like I said, I thought it was a matte lipstick. So this is something that I would probably get some use out of. And then lastly, we have the Dose of Colors Blushing Berries palette. I'm actually not going to open this. I'm going to show you guys the one that I already have. Okay, so this is the one that I already have. And one of the main reasons I'm very disappointed with this box is because I got the palette that I already have. So this is what it looks like, just so that you'll see. I'm not going to open the one that came in Boxycharm, because the good thing about me getting a duplicate is that I can use this one for a giveaway, which I will do. But I was really hoping to get the Snow Angels palette. I really wanted that one, but oh well. So yeah, I'm gonna save the new one for an upcoming giveaway. But again, here's another look at the palette. I really like this because I kind of get overwhelmed with some palettes that have just like a whole bunch of colors going on. This one is just, to me, like it's really easy to use because all of the shades go together and you could just easily make like an everyday look or more of like a smoky look with these colors on the end. I just think it's a really nice palette, and I like the colors too. But I really wanted that Snow Angels palette, but oh well. But just so you'll know, that eyeshadow palette, it does retail for $32. So like I said in the beginning of the video, overall I'm just not really feeling this box. But I mean, I feel like this is the only product that I might get some use out of, but nothing in this box is just like wowing me this month. Boxycharm does have hits and misses, and this for me is definitely a miss. But like, even if I like this product alone, how much did this cost? This cost $29 and the box cost $21. So even if I like just this product, I mean, I still got my money's worth, I guess. Anyway, let me know what version you got for Boxycharm. Let me know if you really like your box, or if you feel like me and you're just not really feeling it. But anyway, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you have not done so already. And I hope to see y'all back for my next video. In my next video, you're going to be seeing me wearing the same shirt, because I already filmed it before this one. But anyway, I hope y'all come back for that, and I will see y'all next time. Until then, take care. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.